Do you have a lot of network connections connected to your computer system, or do you sometimes forget your Wi-Fi password or any other external internet connection you have to your computer system? If this is a problem or an issue, then today Banahene tutorial collections is going to provide a solution to you. I'm going to provide you 2 ways you can get access to your security key or your password key of your internet connection if possibly you have forgotten the password. Now note, this is for the good usage and also the positive aspects in the computing environment. Don't use this particular effect to recover a password of a colleague and use it for a negative activity. Rather, if it is a help that you want to offer to a friend or a colleague who has easily forgotten his or a password of a Wi-Fi or a network adapter to his or a computer system, then you can use this particular illustration I'm going to show you in this video to recover the password. But do not use this particular effect to hack or to use it for any negative activity in the computing environment. Now let's jump into this video and let me show you how you can recover your password or your security key of your Wi-Fi device or any internet device that you have connected to your computer system. And to do this, let's open the settings window of our computer system. So I'm going to use the Windows key and the letter I on the keyboard. This is going to provide me the Windows settings interface, and in this pane I'm going to get access to the navigation pane and click on the network and internet option. And when you click on this, you get it related information. We are going to choose Wi-Fi because I am going to recover my Wi-Fi device security key. And when you click, this provides you with these options, and I'm going to choose manage known networks. And when you click, this provides you all the networks that you have been connected to your computer system. So in this case, I have this Wi-Fi device name, and also I have this mobile device which I normally set up a hotspot to my computer system. Now I know the password of this particular device, but I have easily forgotten the security key of this particular Wi-Fi, and I want to recover it from this particular interface. So what you are going to do is to click on the Wi-Fi device or the internet device that you want to recover your security key, and when you click, you get the option related to the Wi-Fi device. Scroll down and you have this option that says Wi-Fi security key, this particular option, and beside this we have the option to view, and this is where you are going to click to view the security key of this particular device. So you click, and that is going to give you this pop-up window, and we have the name of this particular Wi-Fi or the internet device, and this is going to give you the security key, and you can write it down or save it somewhere so that you will not easily forget this particular key once again. So this is the first approach to recover your security key or your forgotten password of your particular internet device. Now the second approach is to use the command prompt window of your computer system. So let's hold the Windows key and the letter S on the keyboard, and I'm going to search for command prompt, and I have the best option here, and I'm going to right click on this option and choose run as administrator. Because we are the administrator of this computer system, I have to allow this particular operation. So I'm going to click on yes, and then this is going to open this administrator command prompt window, and we are going to type a simple command to recover our security key of our Wi-Fi device or any internet device that has been connected to our computer system. So the first command is to type the net show command. So after typing this net show command, you press the space bar and type this command, which is the one-line command, and the next input is show profile. So in this case we have this command, which is net show wireless local area network, show the profile name equal to. So after the equal to, this is where you're going to type the name of your device, that is the name of the device that you want to recover its password. So if you don't know the name, you have to check the device name of your device. You can have the name of your device at the back of the Wi-Fi device, or you can also have the name of your phone. Maybe you use the phone as your hotspot to your computer system. Then you type that particular name in this particular section. So I am going to type the name of my Wi-Fi device in this particular command prompt interface. Now after typing this command, which is the network show wireless local area network show profile name, then you make sure that you type the name of your device in this particular quote after the equal to sign. Then you press the space bar and type key equal to clear, and this command prompt is going to run an operation and deliver this output to you. And when you scroll down, you are going to have this security settings, and it says key content. You are going to have your password displayed here. Now this command prompt interface, if you want to learn more about this particular application, I have a separate channel that shows you how to use this, and I'm going to link that channel in the description below. Check it out and also learn how you can use command prompt to perform so many actions or operations in the computing environment. So these are the two ways to reveal your key content or your security key of your internet connected device to your computer system. Thank you, and then see you in the next video.